Calling the Duluth Aerial Bridge on Channel 16, Joseph L. Block, coming up to 1.5 miles.
Roger, Cap, I see you there. We'll get things started. Appreciate the call.
Thank you.
Arriving in the Duluth Ship Canal is the Joseph L. Block. The Joseph L. Block was built in 1976 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 728 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is powered by two 3,600 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Block has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 44 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 37,200 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot What you just heard is known as the Master Salute. It's 3 long tones followed by 2 short tones. It was the Block saluting the aerial lift bridge, and the aerial lift bridge was saluting back. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-loading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Joseph L. Block is currently owned by Indiana Harbor Steamship Company under Cleveland Cliffs, Inc. of Cleveland, Ohio, and she is operated by Central Marine Logistics of Griffith, Indiana. The Joseph L. Block was named in honor of Mr. Joseph Leopold Block, former president, CEO, and chairman of the board for Inland Steel. Built for $17 million, she was placed under new management when Inland Steel was purchased by a Dutch company in 1999. Under new management to comply with the Jones Act, Central Marine Logistics was created just for that purpose.